Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Odds. Odds means ratio between amounts staked in bet. For example, the bookies are offering odds of 8 to 1. The bookies are offering odds of 8 to 1.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. No self-respecting gambler would play odds of 14 million to 1. Now, repeat after me. No self-respecting gambler would play odds of 14 million to 1. The second exemplar. Differences are reported as odds ratios and based on the statistic. Now, repeat after me. Differences are reported as odds ratios and based on the statistic. The third exemplar. Before play, bookmakers were quoting odds of 33 to 1 on Bangladesh and 1 to 500 Australia. Now, repeat after me. Before play, bookmakers were quoting odds of 33 to 1 on Bangladesh and 1 to 500 Australia.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.